Hey guys!
No, it's actually not that kind of video.
Anyway.
Yes, anyway. So, should I start?
Yes.
We just want to say thank you so much for all the well wishes and congratulations.
Thank you for all the love in the comments. I'm not sure what she was getting at.
We really do appreciate it, and we can't respond to each and every single one of you, but we do want to say we really do appreciate the support and the love. And I know a lot of you have been asking for like pictures and
because you want to see things. You want to see things.
Yes. So we've got one better for you.
So we have started our very own YouTube channel. So please do subscribe to the channel because we are dropping on Friday at 1 p.m. And what are we dropping?
Our wedding video. Shout out to Pretty Handsome Films.
Yeah, they did an amazing job.
And so you guys are going to get first-hand, never before seen footage video of our special day.
Yeah.
And so subscribe in the meantime so that you don't forget. And just remember on Friday 1 p.m. we're going to be showing our wedding video.
And it's called the Ndlovi's Uncut. Yeah, boy. Accident.